got a ton of traffic getting
great leverage to go squeeze and tackle. In a shocking development, LSU has some guys that can really run. Breaking. Thomas is the one that scares me. Just his elusiveness, what he can do with the ball in his hands, and that's on offense as well.
Right now.
Don't get it twisted. They still have some guys that can make some big time plays.
Yeah, they're impressive. Coach, best of luck this week, and always appreciate your time, man. You're awesome.
Likewise.
We'll come back. That suit ready. Put a wrap on Coach's Corner next. Sure.
Thank you to our Cornerstone Television partners, OU Health, OG&E, Fowler Auto Group, and Coca-Cola. Coach's Corner is brought to you by One Oklahoma, powered by Sooner Sports Properties, fan-fueled, athlete-focused.
College football fans, Chris Fowler here with the play.
Pull over. Pull over now. Say it's a feller to yield, but I'm not real sure he even knows I'm back here.
Better have you clear.
Looks like he went around the sticks. I don't think we got good contact on him. We're still northbound. I believe coming up on car 66.
He's about to hit someone head on.
Northbound approaching 23rd Street.
Seven, watch yourself.
Well, trying to. There's too many cars on there.
253, I'm coming up on Wilshire and MacArthur right now. Let's go eastbound. Correction westbound. To the ditch. Boxman, Boxman.
Go out of there!
Perfect.
Get out! Oh, get out of the car! Get out! Get out of the car!
Can you advise? Dog needs me.
Out of the truck! Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck! Hey, it is not time to negotiate! Get out of the truck now! Hey, we're gonna OC. Put OC in there if you guys go with him. Yeah. Hey, we're gonna pop OC in there with him. Hey, Leslie to Leslie go! Try to put it right there in the A frame or in the B frame. Get some powder in his eyes. Hey, you guys need Leslie go? Hit it. Got it. Alright, they've got it. Do what? I've got the gauge. So we have a single main gauge. Yeah, I mean, he's got those.